All right, good morning. It's Tuesday, May 18th, I think. Anyway, it's Tuesday, and our warm up today is page 322 here, and you can see I did a problem number 5 at the bottom there, and there's even a recording on this page. So you go ahead and listen to that and see how I did problem 5, and you do problems 1 through 4. Um, Other work you'll be doing today, it's all about taking decimal numbers and converting them to fractions so that you can then solve problems. So the instructions say solve each number story and then write your answer as a decimal and then show how you found your answer. And so you're going to do problems 1 through 3. I'll go and do problem 5 here, it looks like. So let's go ahead and do that one together. And so I'm going to zoom in on it if I can. See if I can get a little bit. There we go. Okay. And so let's see. A newborn baby weighs 3 4/10 kilograms. So let's use a marker here and underline a few things. So the newborn baby, human, weighed 3 4/10 kilograms. A newborn hippo weighed 9 times as much. And then, of course, the question is, how much did the newborn hippo weigh? And so we're going to take that 3 4/10 and write it as a fraction. So 3 4/10 is the same as 3 4/10 in fraction form. Now, that doesn't give us the answer for how much the hippo weighs. It just tells us how much the baby weighs in fraction form. So we're going to have to take 3 4/10 and multiply it times 9. So one way to do that is simply to break the 3 4/10 up into two parts. Take the 3 and multiply it times 9, and then take the 4/10 and multiply it times 9. So let's do that. 3 times 9, and we'll solve it in a minute. And then it's adding, you're going to add the 4/10 because 3 4/10 is the same as 3 plus 4/10 or 3 plus 4/10. So, and we still have to multiply that times 9 too. So we're going to have to take the 4/10 that we broke away from 3 4/10 and multiply it times 9 as well to get our answer. And so we'll go ahead and solve both of them separately. Let's go with 3 times 9. Well, look in your journal, or you can remember from your multiplication facts, it's 27. And then 4/10. Let's do that one off to the side. I need a little bit more space. Times 9. Well, 9 is simply written as 9 over 1. And so what's 9 times 4? Look it up if you need to, or hopefully you know your facts. 36. 10 times 1 is 10. We've got what's used to be called an improper fraction. So 36 over 10 is simply the same as 36 divided by 10. So we do that off to the side. How many tens are in 36? Well, you can start with 3 of them because 3 times 10 equals 30. And then looks like we have a remainder. 36 minus 30 is 6. So our remainder is 6/10, 3 6/10. 3 6/10. You add them up and you get them together. Then you bring that over to here, and you add 27 and 3 6/10. 27 plus 3 is 30. 6/10 plus nothing at all, 6/10. And you write your answer where your teacher can easily find it. Whoops, 30 6/10. And there you have it. So this is pretty much what we're doing for the other problems as well, converting between um, decimals and fractions, and then doing some either multiplication or addition or subtraction. That's it. Any questions? Just come see me at 1 o'clock. Have a great day.